In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana effectively as a beginner in 2025. So let's dive right in and get you set up to manage your tasks and projects efficiently with Asana. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for a free account. You'll head over to asana.com and click on the Get Started button. You can choose to sign up with either your email or a Google account, making it a breeze to get everything in motion. Once you're signed up, make sure to select the basic plan, which is free and doesn't require any credit card information. Now, what exactly do you get with the free plan in 2025? It's packed with useful features. You'll have access to unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs, providing you with a robust tool to organize your work. Plus, Asana offers you unlimited storage with up to 100 megabytes per file, so you'll never run out of space for those important documents and files. You can also invite up to 10 teammates to join you in a workspace, making it perfect for small teams or even for enhancing your personal productivity. With the free version, you can visualize your task through list view, board view, and calendar view, all while utilizing basic search and reporting tools. And let's not forget about those handy integrations with apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook, which can help streamline your workflow even more. Once you're familiar with what's included, it's time to set up your first workspace. Start by creating a workspace for yourself or your team, whatever suits your needs best. Inside this workspace, you can set up various projects. Think about what areas you want to organize, perhaps a marketing plan, a content calendar, or even personal goals. This structure will help you keep everything compartmentalized and easy to manage. Add tasks and, if necessary, break them down into subtasks within each project. Pretty soon, you'll have a clear picture of what needs to be done. Moving on, Asana provides some fantastic organizational views, even with the free plan. You can switch between a traditional list view for a straightforward task list, a board view if you prefer a Kanban-style workflow, or a calendar view to see tasks sorted by their due dates. These features allow you to keep track of deadlines and manage your work efficiently without the need to upgrade to premium features. Lastly, make sure to take advantage of Asana's collaboration features. With the ability to add up to 10 teammates, you can assign tasks to a single owner, ensuring accountability. Add collaborators too, which lets others receive updates, making communication seamless. You can also comment and upload files directly onto tasks, keeping all relevant information and discussions in one place. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with Asana in 2025. Enjoy organizing your projects and enhancing your productivity.